Right guys, I'm just done. I've just timed the coke in. I'm sorry I didn't show you I'm coming in. The dad is here. Watch out, he's the wee pigeon I said he would come first. The wee blue white flight coke. There he's here on the flare. And he's no paired up. He's the wee pigeon I showed you in his box yesterday. He's no got a hen. And I said that to you all. He'll be my first pigeon home. And there he is. My first pigeon. He's in at 8:30. Yeehaw! I'm just waiting on the rest of them coming now. Wow, honestly God, it's been some morning, but they were up at 7:15 in a southwest wind. There's another one, there's another one. Here's another one. Check that cook, he's just landed. That's him away and that's me got two. That's me got two. Hey hey, so he's in at 25 to 8:35. So that's not too bad, that's two of them. I mean, they're coming that way. It's a southwest wind. They're up at 7:15. There we go. Yeehaw, that's two in. That's two in. So here's hoping, eh? We just want the rest of them here, eh? Right guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Cheery cheery.